It was Ankita's birthday party. After the party, Ankita and her mom were cleaning the house.
Mom, there is some cake left.
How much is left?
1/4 of the cake.
Oh, how do you know it is 1/4?
Mom, I have learned fractions. One piece out of 4 pieces makes 1/4 of the cake.
Well done, Ankita.
Do you know what a fraction is? Fraction is a number that represents equal parts of a whole. Ankita's birthday cake was cut into 4 equal pieces. Remember, she said that there is only one piece of cake left out of 4 equal pieces. This can be represented using the fraction 1/4. The fraction 1/4 has 2 parts, a numerator and a denominator. The numerator 1 represents the part of cake that is left, and the denominator 4 represents the total number of the equal parts.
Mom, do you know fractions and decimals are related?
Yes, of course. They are different representation of the same quantity.
Do you know what a decimal number is? A decimal number is a fraction written in a special form using the place values of tenth, hundredth, thousandth, etc. Look at the 10 by 10 grid. There are 100 squares in the grid. Let us divide the grid into 4 parts. Each part represents 1/4. Each part has 25 squares. Hence, the fraction 1/4 can be expressed as 25 by 100 or the decimal 0.25, where the digit 0 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tenths place, and 5 is in the hundreds place.
Wow, 1/4 and 0.25 represents the same quantity.
Ankita, have you noticed where fractions and decimals are used in our everyday life?
Of course, Mom. Let me tell you where I have seen them. Where are fractions and decimals used? Mom, do you remember when Rahul visited us? There was just one apple left. Do you know what I did? I cut the apple into 2 equal pieces and each of us got half of the apple. And that day, when you and Sarita auntie shared 1 kg of sugar, each one of you got half kg or 0.5 kg of sugar. I have seen fractions and decimal numbers in your recipe book. To make my favorite cupcake, you have added half cup of sugar and 2.5 cups of milk.
Yes, dear. Knowing fractions and decimals of the ingredients help me to know the right measurement to prepare a tasty dish.
Height, weight, distance, volume are all represented in decimal numbers. My height is 135.6 centimeters and my weight is 35.5 kg. The distance from our home to school is 2.5 kilometers. 10.5 liters of petrol was filled in our car while going to the railway station. Wow, fractions and decimals are used everywhere. Mom, while telling time, we use the words like 6:15, 8:30, 7:15. Are they also fractions?
Yes, dear. Quarter and half are the fractions of 1 hour. Quarter is same as 1/4 and half is 1/2 of an hour.
Mom, I have heard you saying that the cost of a pencil is 10.50 rupees. Does it mean the cost of the pencil is 10.5 rupees?
Yes, Ankita. 100 paise makes 1 rupee. So 50 paise is half a rupee.
Mom, I can see fractions and decimals are everywhere.
Wow, you are a good observer.
Let's pause and think. Fractions and decimals can be used interchangeably. You will call this as half cup water or 0.5 cup water or 0.5 cup water. They represent the same quantity. Let's conclude. Now you have seen that fractions and decimals are used in many places around us. We will learn more about fractions and decimals in this chapter.